Hi everyone, Dr. Robinson here with a quick lesson on the fastest way to give someone a call, especially if you are a keyboard command user. So I've got Skype open. I insert T and to confirm that.
Skype.
Oh yeah. And what I'm going to do is Control N, just think new.
Control N, new chat, search edit, type in text.
Okay, I can instantly just type in
K-I-M,
anyone's name.
Kim, Microsoft
And I can
candidate,
tab
Skype, more people, Kimberly Drudge.
right to that person or
Kimberly
down arrow.
Drudge and your favorites.
If I want to text them, I hit
enter, type a message, edit, type in H-I-I-S-P-A-O-D-I-G. Going, Microsoft, enter, Skype.
And if I need to call them, I can Control-Shift-P and instantly call.
Control-Shift-P and call button to activate. Press space escape. Space, my info, active button to act.
That is how fast you can call on Skype. And that is a quick tech tip for today.